Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Make a great choice today with the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, clock, child safety locks, power brakes, cargo area light, airbags, driver, knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.